to 22 degrees Celsius, where it feels like a crisp English spring year-round. And also, the vibe here are pure and nostalgic cozy. You can wander through massive flower garden and also see fresh strawberry growing right off the vine. And now, let's take a look at some of the plant and animal that are here. This is Papilio memnon, or known as Great Mormon. It is known to be polymorphic, which means that they came in different look like shape, pattern, and colors. Butterflies don't chew anything. Instead, they use their tongue called proboscis to sip nectar or fruit juices.
Have you ever walked past a garden and been amazed by these bright purple flowers? Well, what most people think are flowers are actually modified leaves. This beautiful plant is called Bougainvillea glabra, commonly known as the bougainvillea or pepper flower. It grows well in tropical and subtropical regions, especially in sunny places such as gardens, parks, and along fences. Hidden in the middle of the colorful bud are the tiny white flowers. Bougainvillea is also a thorny climbing plant that can survive hot and dry weather, making it one of the most ornamental plants around the world. Okay, next species. This flower, you think that this plant has been covered in snow, right? But that's actually its natural color. This is Cecropia maritima. It's better known as dusty miller or silver redwood. It originates from the Mediterranean region and thrives in sunny areas with well-drained soil. Its beautiful silvery white leaves are covered with tiny hairs that help reduce water loss and protect their plants from the intense sunlight. Because of its unique appearance, dusty miller is often planted to create contrast and add elegance to gardens. Okay, now let me introduce one of the world's most extraordinary flowers. This is the jade vine, scientifically known as Strongylodan macrobotris, native to the rainforest of the Philippines. It is famous for its breathtaking turquoise green flowers, a color that is extremely rare in nature. The flowers hang in long, cascading clusters that can grow over 1 meter long, creating a spectacular display. In the wild, the jade vine relies on bats for pollination, making it a fascinating example of how plants and animals depending on each other.
While walking around the garden, I came across these really beautiful flowers called the red jade vine, or scientifically known as Vicuna beneti. What caught my attention was its bright red flowers that hang down in long clusters. These flowers have a unique claw-like shape, making the plant one of the most eye-catching ornamental vines in the world. As we continued exploring Mardi in Cameron Highland, we came across another fascinating plant, which is the Nepenthes, or commonly known as pincher plant. This plant is very unique because it is carnivorous, which means it can trap and digest insects such as flies and mosquitoes. Have you ever wondered how insects get trapped inside a pincher plant? Well, the plant attracts insects with its sweet nectar, bright colors, and scent. When they land on the slippery ring, they lose their grip and fall inside. The walls are too slippery to climb, so they can escape.
This plant is Tibucina urveliana. The common name is princess flower, also called glory bush or purple glory tree. This flower have several distinctive characteristics. First, it has 5 large bright purple petals and long, curved white purple stamens in the center. Flowers borne in clusters and shrubby growth habit with opposite lens-shaped leaves. The leaves appear to have prominent parallel veins, which are characteristic of the family Melastomataceae. This plant is native to Brazil and commonly found in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. This is Euphorbia pulcherrima. The common name is poinsettia, also known as Christmas star. This plant has several distinctive features. First, it has large, bright red leaf-like structures that actually bracts, not petal. There are small yellow flowers clustered in the center. These tiny cup-shaped flowers are called cyathea, which are characteristic of the genus Euphorbia. The reddish stems and broad, pointed bracts surrounding the flower cluster. The habitat of poinsettia is tropical and subtropical forests with warm temperatures, well-drained soil, and full sun to partial shade. It's native to Mexico and Central America, widely cultivated in gardens, parks, and landscapes throughout tropical and subtropical regions, including Malaysia.
While strolling through a park, there are certain type of plant caught my attention. This plant is commonly known as the fire fern, and its scientific name is Oxalis hydaeosaurus. It is an ornamental plant with bright yellow flower and dark purple leaf. It is widely known in gardens because of its attractive appearance. Another plant that caught my attention is this, pretty right? This plant is called Marguerite daisy, or the scientific name is Agranthemum frutescens. It is famous for its cheerful white flower with bright yellow center. It thrives in full sunlight and well-drained soil. Because of its colorful and long-lasting bloom, it is a favorite choice for ornamental garden.
Another plant is we have Celosia argentea. This plant are commonly called as wheat celosia because of the flowers featured elongated upright candle-like spikes that resemble heads of wheat. The color is a vibrant magenta pink at the tips, which gradually fades into a soft silvery white or pale pink near the base, while its leaves are lanceolate to narrow ovate with pointed tips. They are medium to dark green, occasionally displaying subtle reddish purple tints along the veins or margins. For habitat, they can live in sun-drenched environment with well-drained soil. Impatiens walleriana. It's commonly called busy or touch me not. This plant have flat face, saucer shape, featuring 5 distinct petals and a characteristic tiny spur-like tube projecting from the back flower. Its leaf ovate to lanceolate with finely serrated margins. This plant can live in damp, humid, and partially to fully shaded environment.
One fact about Impatiens walleriana, this plant called impatiens because of its sensitive seed pods. Its seeds will explode even with slightest touch when the seeds already ripen.